Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive straight into learning how to create a milestone in ZOHO project. First off, sign into your ZOHO project account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. This is crucial because ZOHO project is the platform where you'll be managing all your project milestones. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects tab. This is where all your projects live. Next up, select the project you want to add the milestone to. This helps us because each milestone needs to be associated with a specific project. Now that we've done that, click on Add Milestone under the Milestones tab. Here's where you get to define your milestone. You'll need to give it a name, set a start and end date, and assign it to a team member if needed. The reason we do this is to establish clear goals and timelines for your project. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, hit the Save button. This saves the milestone to your project. Let me explain why this matters. A saved milestone is a visible reminder of an important task or event, helping you and your team stay on track. And voila, you've just created a milestone in ZOHO project. The process might seem a bit complex at first, but with a bit of practice, it'll soon become second nature. That's it for today's quick guide on creating a milestone in ZOHO project. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, creating clear, well-defined milestones is a key step in successful project management. Until next time, happy project planning.